you the kind of girl everybody need. You're the homie girlfriend, stay down to the end. The right girl, yes indeed. So if I tell you to stay, do you really believe? Cause I ain't running no game, do the same, and everything will be kosher. I'll write it down, send it to you. Be there for you.